Hi, family. Tonight for the homework, your child is working on dividing and checking. This is a skill that we worked on today in class. They're going to use multiplication to check their long division answers. I wanted to give you a quick rundown of how I taught it so you can help your child do this successfully. I'm going to use question number 2 from the homework as an example, 1,885 divided by 6. So if I write that problem out, we have 3 main numbers that we work with in division. We have the dividend, which is the large number inside the house. The divisor is the small number outside the house. I like to say he's knocking on the door trying to get in. You want to figure out how many divisors fit inside the dividend. And then the answer is the quotient who goes on top of the house. So when we do long division in the classroom, we have switched to the traditional method, but it is okay if your child uses the area model or any other method. Totally whatever works for them is best. Using the area model or the traditional method, though, we use the division family, which is mom, dad, sister, brother, and Rover. And their jobs are dad divides, mom multiplies, sister subtracts, brother brings down for traditional or up for the area model, and Rover repeats. So these are just the steps to help them remember what to do. So first up is dad divides. I want to see 1 divided by 6. How many 6s can I fit inside the number 1? Well, I can't fit any in there, so we do 0. Mom multiplies. 0 times 6 is 0. Sister subtracts. 1 minus 0 is 1. Now brother brings down. My number is 18. And Rover repeats. So Rover takes the 18 up to dad to divide. 18 divided by 6. That's basic fact. That's 3. 3 times 6, 18. 18 minus 18, 0. Brother brings down. Now my number is 8. Rover repeats. How many 6s fit inside of the number 8? That's just 1. 1 times 6 is 6. If I subtract, I get 2. Brother brings down the 5. Now my number is 25. Rover repeats. How many 6s fit inside of 25? That's 4. 4 times 6 is 24. When I subtract, I get 1 left over. There's nothing left to bring down, so Rover brings up the remainder. So in 1,885 divided by 6, my quotient is 314 remainder 1. The step that we learned today was how to turn a division problem into a multiplication problem. To do that, we take our quotient times our divisor, and that should give us the dividend. So our answer times our little number should give us the big number. When we have a remainder, we don't want to multiply it because that's the leftover. So we take the whole number part of the answer times the divisor, and then we add the remainder back when we're done. After we add that remainder back, it should equal the number inside the house. So let's set that up and check. 314 times 6. 6 times 4 is 24. 6 times 1 is 6, plus 2 is 8. 6 times 3 is 18. I'm not quite at that number yet, but I still have that remainder to add. So I do plus 1 because my remainder is 1. And I come up with the answer 1,885. That matches my dividend, the number in the middle. So I have checked my work and I have proven that my answer is correct. So that is what we went over today, and that is how you use multiplication to check your long division.